What's our address here, Janice?
7038.
Okay. 17th?
Avenue Northwest.
7038 17th Northwest. Date is April 16th, 2021. You can put it on the wall. Recording the sewer line from the clean out here on the north side of the home. Looking at the city main there, we're going to come back from the city main, get a look at the line. The homeowner is responsible for everything back from the city main. Coming back into 6-inch diameter clay pipe. Seam about every 2 feet. I zeroed out our footage down there at the main so that we can get an accurate footage count on the line. This line has had a couple of backups in recent times. We had jetted the line out this week to get all the roots out. You're always looking right about the 30-foot mark for it to go back in the 4-inch. I think we made it back here somewhere. This will be a gradual one. Somewhere right in here we're going from 6-inch to 4-inch. I think that was the bell there. That might be it right there. It's usually 2 back-to-back bells that are, well, you know what you're looking for. That's coming back up kind of a T there, a funky T. Holding some sewage right there at the bottom of this stretch. And then you come back up out of plastic here and out of the cleanout. So there's a look at the line. We're fully intact right now and flowing. I'm going to try for a second. I'm going to pause the recording. Try to go upstream and see if we can't see the upstream side of the pipe. See from here, there's a